Hello, how's it going? I'm really glad you're here because today we're going to talk about something key if you want to grow in this field, testing roles and how to build your career path. Today, software is developed faster than ever. Companies need to release new versions constantly, but without sacrificing quality. And to achieve that, one type of tester is no longer enough. Now, there are different roles, each with a specific purpose. But here's something important from the start. Everything begins with the manual tester. The manual tester is the foundation. They define the strategy, design test cases, and understand how the system works end to end. And most importantly, they think like a user. Because if you don't understand the user, you can't ensure quality. From there, other roles come into play. For example, the automation tester. Their goal is simple: save time. They automate repetitive tasks so the team can focus on what really matters: analysis. But here's the thing. Automation is not just recording scripts. It requires programming skills, building maintainable solutions, and designing efficient frameworks. Because bad code also creates problems. Then we have the security tester. This role focuses on something critical: protecting the system, preventing unauthorized access, avoiding attacks, and ensuring data integrity. And not just in applications, also in connected devices like IoT. Here, you need to understand infrastructure, protocols, and even regulations. Next is the data tester. This role is often underestimated, but it's essential because data defines results. If you test with limited or poorly structured data, you can get false positives, and that's risky. A strong dataset reveals issues that are not obvious at first glance. Now there are roles that integrate all of this, like the SDET. An SDET is someone who combines development and testing skills. They don't just automate, they ensure tests run before code is released. They integrate with pipelines, cloud environments, and help maintain quality in every delivery. Then there's DevOps. Here, the focus goes beyond testing. It's about automating the entire operation, from integration to continuous delivery. The goal is simple: release faster, without breaking the system. And finally, there are two roles that are often confused: QA and QE. QA focuses on the product and the process. QE goes further. It's a more strategic role. They act as a quality coach within the organization, defining policies, improving processes, and driving best practices. Now, something very important. In real life, these roles are not always separate. They often overlap. But what stays constant is this: quality is everyone's responsibility. There is no single person in charge of testing. Now let's talk about you. If you're just starting, don't try to learn everything at once. Start with the basics: manual testing. Understand the product, learn how to analyze, how to design tests. Then you can grow. Automation, security, data. And later on, if it interests you, you can move into roles like SDET, DevOps, QA, or QE. But here's the key. Don't just follow the path a company gives you. Build your own path. Define what you enjoy, what you want to achieve. And focus on that, because in the end, it's not just about learning tools. It's about delivering value, automating repetitive work, and using your time to think, analyze, and improve the product. Now let me ask you something. Which role sounds most interesting to you right now? Let me know in the comments and also tell me what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.